Today we are talking about 4 tips to help make your home bar an enjoyable one. Don't forget to like and subscribe because that makes everything better. Tip number 1, mix variety as well as personal favorites in your bar. Yes, you will be entertaining other guests, but if you only stock your bar with drinks for other people, it's like creating your own personal prison. You will be the main patron at your own home bar, so it might as well be stocked with things that you enjoy. It also gives you a chance to share your hopefully sophisticated tastes with your less fortunate friends who continue to order shots of Jaeger whenever you go out. If you're wondering where to start, look up some of your favorite cocktails, check out the spirits and mixers that are used to make them, and then buy those. If you would like a head start, you can also try Old Forester as a bourbon, you can try Hendrick's as a gin, and Kettle One as a vodka. Tip number 2, a good bar requires good tools so that you can make good drinks. Keep it simple, stick with the staples. Mixing glass, a jigger so that you can measure your liquors that you're pouring into the drinks, a bar spoon so that you can mix your cocktails, get a Hawthorne strainer so that you're not pouring ice from your shaker cup into your drinks, and then of course grab a shaker cup. Tip number 3, have the proper glassware for the drinks that you're going to be serving. Nothing says I really don't care about life more than serving somebody white wine inside of a plastic cup. Here's what you should be looking into getting. Rocks glasses for serving spirits like whiskey, neat or on the rocks. Collins glasses, which are used to keep drinks extra cold, things like mojitos and tropical drinks. Cocktail or martini glasses, and some wine glasses. Also, don't forget an ice bucket with some tongs. No one's trying to catch E. coli at your home bar. Tip number 4 is to make your guests feel welcome at your home bar. As soon as guests arrive, put a bottle of red, white, or rosé wine out on the table so they can go ahead and get started. You could also use a pre-made cocktail in place of that if you wanted. There, now you have a home bar that people won't hate and they'll actually come back for. If you didn't already, make sure to like and subscribe because that's why we're here.